Hi. So I have basically created the VBA script to connect to Dropbox through Open Authentication protocol. And for this, I have created this sheet which will contain all the keys and security codes. So basically, this is my app key and app secret, which I can get from Dropbox developers. These two values, and then this redirect URL, I have set it to localhost slash authorization, and I'm using HTTP over here instead of HTTPS. So now when, for example, I click on this link and I try to get the URL of this link, so it tells me that the user is not authorized, and since refresh token is also not available, so we need to get the refresh token. So what it does is it uses Selenium automation to open the Dropbox login screen, because we cannot use an embedded browser because Dropbox does not support an embedded browser. So I'm using Selenium over here. So I can log in here using my account credentials, and it should take me to the warning screen saying that I'm going to connect to this app which is not verified. And when I click continue and grant it permissions, so it basically brings the authorization codes to this sheet. So now I can click on any link and I can get the URL of that link. And if, for example, a file does not exist, so it will tell me that there's some problem, and if the file exists, it will get me the URL. Uh, Now, for example, if this URL gets expired, let's say I'm going to change it to feel like this has expired, and now if I try to get a URL, so it will tell me that the authorization is not successful. So I'll have to, so it will automatically try to get the new authorization code, and then I can run it. So basically, daily when the code expires, the authorization code expires until this refresh token is valid. So it should automatically bring up the URLs, and in case both of these get destroyed or something, so we can simply authorize it again. So now this the code should start working once again. So this is basically it. You can simply update these three addresses and the script should be working. Let me know what you think. Thank you very much.